Forex Daybreak podcast, where we trade the Forex market with you. Entry, target, exit, and stop loss levels are covered when we walk you through every trade made in the show. 5% of Forex traders are profitable, and you can be among the winners. If you wish to find out profitable trade signals in the Forex market, Forex Daybreak is the show for you. Now, let's begin today's episode.
Good morning and welcome to episode 67. Forex pairs we trade today are Euro-Yen. We are going to follow up yesterday's trade, and I'm still looking for this last leg towards the 135 handle. And Pound-Yen, same here. We follow up to yesterday's trade and we'll expect one more move higher in order to complete this intermediate wave X. It is recommended that you will learn to read the market yourself and not just blindly enter trades based on my signals or from any other signal provider. I will not take responsibility from your trading losses or credit from your profits. Okay, that said, let's start this episode. Let's begin with Euro-USD. So yesterday was quite an eventful day. Nothing happened much on the markets. We got a little upside, but then declined back quite the same place where we started from yesterday. Price now 107.5. Volatility is very low, and there is not much opportunities in my opinion at this moment, at least in this pair. So yesterday's analysis was that I'm expecting next an upwards move towards 111.5, 111.6 level towards the trend line I have on my charts, which connects this whole or supports this whole large structure which we have now broken through. So we can actually draw this out again, this whole third wave or the start of the third wave. In my opinion, we have not finished the third wave yet. So from the high of 114.94, we can see the first wave down to 113.05, the next second wave to 113.86, and then a large decline to 109.96, then a large three-wave structure as wave 4 that ends in 110.72 in my wave structure or my labeling, and then a five-wave structure towards 107.05, which the NFP release last Friday was the last push downwards. And now, in my opinion, we have started a corrective phase in this pair, and we can expect a larger three-wave structure to upside towards the 111.6, 111.5 handle. So yesterday I talked about trading this to the upside, but first I would like to see the A wave, a possible five-wave structure as the A wave, then a three-wave pullback as the B wave, and on that point we can start to look for the bottom of the B wave and trade this to the upside. Of course, there's a possibility to trade this right now, but since we have no structure of a correction, of a larger correction yet, I wouldn't risk it, because there's always the possibility that this decline has not completed yet and we have still some ammunition left on dollar, and perhaps this decline will continue. But in my opinion, we have a satisfactory conclusion for this decline now. The first five-way structure has completed. Actually, I have a label 5 here, which is not correct. This should be 1. So first wave of the third wave has been completed in my opinion. But let's look for this five-way structure as the A wave, or possible three-wave structure if this is going to be a more sideways correction. I'm looking for a sharp corrective move, which should be a 5-3-5 structure ABC structure. And like I said, on that B wave, we can look for a good opportunity to trade the C wave to the upside. All right, let's take a look at some other pairs. So yesterday we traded Euro Yen. The trade is more or less on the same place that we started from yesterday. I have entered a new trade. So basically the same levels apply like yesterday. I'm still looking for this last leg higher on Euro Yen towards the 135, maybe 135.2 level to complete this triangle structure. But like I said yesterday and before, leg higher can be overlapping choppy corrective structure, so it can be nerve-wracking to trade this to the upside. But I have still this trade on. I'm looking for a decent trade here. Let's see what's the potential here. If we have a trade on here, we have 250 pip potential, but this can take a while. This can take even a couple of weeks to reach on that point. But let's see how this develops. If it gets too nerve-wracking and slow, maybe we give up trading this. But I have this trade on what we placed yesterday, and I'm still looking for the upside move to complete and to reach the 135 level. All right, same situation with pound yen. We entered the trade yesterday, then got a little downside. I closed the trade, but then when the upside seemed to have more left into it, I entered a new buy order here. So situation is very much same as yesterday when we placed the first trade, and the same levels apply here. 188.5, 188.9 level possibly can be the target for this one last upwards move to complete the intermediate wave X corrective wave, and after that I'm expecting more downside. We can draw it here. So a move towards 188.9, then a reversal, and the next larger corrective wave towards the downside can start. There's of course the possibility that we have seen the end for this correction, and the strong decline last week was the first sign of this next larger wave down. But I'm looking for a 5-wave structure out of this. In my labeling, this is a C wave, so I'm looking for a 5-wave structure here. And if pound yen follows this channel, we can expect that 188.9, perhaps not even that high, maybe 188 is quite nice target, nice round number to remember. So 188, I think it was 187.9 yesterday, my take profit level. So 188 level would be good target for this last wave higher, and then I'm expecting a larger reversal and the next larger decline to start. All right, let's see a couple of other pairs. Dollar yen declined yesterday slightly. We reached that 100% Fibonacci expansion level I talked about yesterday, but maybe there's one more small upwards move left in this pair. So 123.57 is the 100% Fibonacci level, but we have only the first 4 waves completed in this C wave. So C waves are 5-wave structures, and I'm expecting this to be 5-wave structure as well. Of course, there's a possibility that this is WXY double tree correction, but as of now, I'm treating this as C wave and expect a 5-wave structure. So if we take a look at this, we can see a sharp correction first, and from the low of the B wave about 119.5, 119.7 levels. So the B wave starts, then the C wave starts, then there's a sharp correction. Now the large upwards move all the way down, all the way up to 123.57 was it, the 100% Fibonacci expansion level, and now we can possibly expect a sideways correction and then one more wave higher, perhaps little above the 124 handle, and then next corrective wave towards new lows. Maybe there's a correlation between these yen pairs, so if we expect upwards moves in euro yen and pound yen, and this scenario on dollar yen also suits well with that, so we can expect one small push upwards on dollar yen. Okay, that's all for today's episode. Visit the show notes at forexdaybreak.com/67, and let me remind you that you can get this video analysis, daily trading signals and access to my trading system when you subscribe to my basic membership. Membership fee is only $10 a month, and I have a 14-day free trial for you to test out my service. You can cancel with one click, so this is truly a risk-free offer. Go to forexdaybreak.com/basic and sign up. More trades tomorrow, happy trading, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks for your interest in Forex Daybreak Daily Podcast. If you like this show, we hope you'll visit our website, www.forexdaybreak.com. Be sure to check the show notes on our website for this episode. Join us next time for another episode of Forex Daybreak.